For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital with me, Adarsh Vepachedu. Well, the smartwatch that you must be wearing at this point in time may as well turn from a fitness tracker to a sickness tracker. Hard to believe, isn't it? Well, in fact, the constant stream of data that your wearable device can reveal early warnings for coronavirus symptoms days before people can even realize that they have been infected by the deadly infection. And that is the reason why I say fitness trackers may as well be on their way to becoming sickness trackers eventually. And I say this based on a couple of research that I've come across. Ever since the month of March, around at least 6 studies have been looking into whether the amount of data that wearables, that smartwatches collect on a daily basis, whether it can offer any kind of clue as to who may have caught coronavirus. So what has this research found? Now there is one certain ring called the Oura ring, which has sensors inbuilt into it, and you just have to wear it like a normal ring. And this ring in fact captures all vital information, all data, right from temperature to the way in which your heart is beating. So all this data combined with the right kind of an application, which is yet to be manufactured, so to speak, or developed, can in fact measure the cognition and other symptoms pertaining to COVID-19.
The biorhythm is measured by a ring which acts as a sensor, and that data flows onto your smartphone, which is built by an algorithm. Now, any subtle changes in the blood pressure, temperature, breathing rate, oxygen levels may actually help in predicting the likelihood chances of developing a viral illness like COVID-19.
In fact, all of this data can predict up to 3 days in advance when people will register a fever, maybe a cough, or even shortness of breath. Now remember, these are a few symptoms of COVID-19, and if this particular ring or if a particular smartwatch is paired with the right kind of application, then you would be able to know 3 days very in advance that you are going to begin to show symptoms of COVID-19. And believe it or not, the accuracy is as much as 90%. Well, not just that, it can even predict someone's exact temperature, almost like a weather forecast, so to speak. So at this point in time, it is almost safe for us to really deduce a small little formula: a smart ring or a smartwatch plus a suitable application is almost equal to a digital PPE, personal protection equipment. So a smart ring or a smartwatch clubbed with the right kind of application is almost as good as a personal protective equipment. It would be able to indicate whether an individual needs to stay at home or he can go out, and whether staying at home is a better option and not come in contact with others. In fact, a Stanford University research has also studied the heart rate change from a known popular device called Fitbit, and have been able to detect coronavirus before or at the time of diagnosis in as many as 11 out of the 14 confirmed patients. So even Fitbits are doing their job, but yes, it is still the nascent stage. A lot of research is pending, and as I just mentioned, you need to be able to pair your smartwatch or your smart ring with the right kind of application, which is to this day getting developed. Now, they in fact could see one patient's heart rate jump 9 days before the person reported the symptoms. So this brings us to a very pertinent question now. Can the wearable technology prove to be a game changer? Well, the simple answer is it is working right now, but it is clearly not perfect. When it comes to accuracy, that still remains a big question when it comes to detecting the coronavirus itself. And the need of the hour on ground is that more participants are required from across the world, so that the algorithms are trained, so that the algorithms can detect the symptoms and sometimes the unexpected ways many bodies, many different people respond to the coronavirus. So yes, it's a big world that you're talking about, and different people respond to coronavirus in different ways, so they start to show different symptoms. So it's all about really getting the algorithms right and ensure that it's a case of one size fits all. In fact, not just right now, earlier studies have also indicated that the data from wearables can, in a sense, detect issues like high blood pressure, even arrhythmia, and even, so to speak, early stage cancer. We've seen time and again as to how lives have also been saved due to the smartwatch, due to the warnings given out by smartwatch. So it's all about using the data to improve real-time tracking of seasonal flu outbreaks. That's what things are at this point in time when it comes to the wearable devices. But yes, given the fact that technology should be able to go out there and tackle coronavirus, and we are all the time looking at technology for answers and solutions, what we are wearing right now may as well have the answer. It's all about maybe a few months, if not a few years, before we're able to really tackle the coronavirus with technology. Well, if you feel wearables are the way forward, and if you feel that a smartwatch will be able to provide ample information and guide you and warn you that you may get coronavirus, if you feel that's really possible, do drop in your comments and do share, like and subscribe to News9 YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. This is Adarsh Vepachedu signing off.